IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Who is the most talkative person in your family? Band 5. Answer.
I think the most talkative person in my family is my sister. She always talks a lot, especially when she is excited. Sometimes it is difficult for me to follow everything she says, but I enjoy listening to her.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic flow. Some hesitation, simple linking. Lexical resource. Mostly simple words, limited variety. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences, occasional errors, but meaning clear. Pronunciation. Understandable but with some inconsistent clarity. Typical of a Band 5. Communicates meaning but with limited range and some strain. Band 7.5 Answer.
In my family, the most talkative person is definitely my sister. She can keep a conversation going for hours, even when no one asks her anything. Sometimes it feels like she has a built-in radio, because the topics just keep coming nonstop.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, natural flow. Minor hesitation only. Lexical resource. Good range of everyday vocabulary. Some idiomatic touches. Grammar. Mostly accurate, with a mix of complex and simple structures. Pronunciation. Clear with natural rhythm. Typical of a Band 7.5. Strong control of language with occasional lapses but consistently effective communication. Band 9 Answer.
The most talkative person in my family is unquestionably my sister. She has an incredible ability to fill any silence, and she moves from one story to another so effortlessly that it feels like listening to a live podcast. What's impressive is that she somehow keeps it entertaining, even when the rest of us are running out of energy.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, fully natural delivery. Ideas linked elegantly. Lexical resource. Precise, vivid, idiomatic language used flexibly. Grammar. Accurate, sophisticated structures throughout. Pronunciation. Near-native rhythm, stress, and clarity. Typical of a Band 9. Fully natural, flexible, and precise communication. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.